Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your lost iPhone 17 Pro to the lost database on IMEI.info page. Okay, first we gotta enter the IMEI number of our lost iPhone. The usual way of checking the IMEI number is right in here. It's by typing this code. But let's pretend that now my iPhone is lost. I don't have it physically in here. And now how to check the IMEI number. Just like I was saying, that's the usual way. But the IMEI number is also written on the phone packaging, usually on the edge or on the side. It's simply there. So you gotta check it on the phone packaging and then enter the IMEI number right in here. Then click on check. As you can see, the phone appears. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks that are completely for free, so you don't gotta pay for anything. And in here, click on Lost Device Add. As you can see, the IMEI number has been automatically copied. If you want, you can also enter the second IMEI number and also the serial number if you're interested. But it's not necessary, but it's worth doing. And in here, we gotta type the city where you lost your device. I'll just type anything just to give you an example. Then you gotta enter your email. Okay. Then type the phone number with the country code. Okay. No, I have entered the wrong format. I think that I gotta do it without the space. Yeah, okay. And now enter the value of the recovery reward in US dollars. Let's say $50. Then the country. I'll type Poland, for example. And in here we have the description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. You need to be aware that the description should be as much precise as possible. Every detail simply matters. So you can describe the hour where you lost it, the surrounding, in which city, what were you doing, if you were in a restaurant or not. Every detail matters, so that's the thing that you can add. In my case, I'm just going to enter a dot because I'm just showing you an example. In here, enter your contact name and then incident date. You gotta enter it in this format: year, month, and day. Okay, down below we have the agreements. We gotta agree for both of them and then click on Report Lost/Stolen IMEI. Okay, now we gotta verify on our email. Okay, now we gotta find the message from IMEI.info. Simply open it up and then click on Verify Your Request. Okay, and now our device has been successfully added to the lost database. And here we have the result and a preview. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.